Hello everyone, I am Rubina Aslam and welcome to today's discussion on history of global value chains, how production became global. In today's global economy, production is no longer confined within national borders. A single product such as smartphone, clothing item or even food product is designed, produced, assembled and distributed across multiple countries. This is interconnected system is known as global value chains, where different stages of production are distributed globally based on efficiency, specialization, and cost advantages. To understand this modern structure, it is important to explore how global production evolved over time and the historical forces behind it. What we will learn what global value chains are, how trade worked in early history, impact of industrial revolution, rise of modern global value chains, role of technology in globalization, recent trends, and future direction. Early trade system formed the foundation of global economic interaction. Civilization exchanged goods such as spices, silk, gold, and textile through long-distance routes, most notably the Silk Road. However, production remained largely localized. Limited transportation and high trade costs restricted large-scale global interaction. Still, these early systems introduced the idea of economic interdependence between regions. From ancient trade routes to modern supply chain, the world has always been connected, only the speed and scale have been changed. Industrialization marked a major turning point in production history. Mechanization replaced manual labor, significantly increasing productivity and efficiency. Innovations such as steam engine railways and steamship reduced transportation costs and expanded market beyond local boundaries. This period laid the foundation for large-scale industrial production and early globalization of trade. Post-World War II era, a new global economy system emerged. Institutions such as International Monetary Fund and World Bank were established to promote stability, cooperation, and trade liberalization gradually increased, and multinational corporations began expanding across the border. However, production was still mostly controlled within individual firms. Rise of GVC: A major transformation occurred between 1980s and 2000 with the emergence of global value chains. Firms began breaking production into stages and relocating them to countries where costs were lower and efficiency was higher. This led to rise of developing countries as key manufacturing hubs, especially in industries like textile, electronics, and automobiles. Technological advancement played a crucial role in strengthening global value chains. Information and communication technologies enabled real-time coordination across countries. At the same time, container shipping and logistics innovation reduced transport costs, making global production networks more efficient and interconnected. During 20s, global trade expanded rapidly. Emerging economies, particularly in Asia, became major manufacturing centers. China emerged as a global production hub, while many developing countries integrated into global value chains through export-led growth strategies. The 2008 financial crisis exposed weakness in global production system. A sharp decline in demand and financial instability led to disruption in global supply chain. This highlighted the risk of overdependence on highly interconnected global networks. In modern era, global value chains are evolving rapidly. Automation, AI, and digital technologies are reshaping production systems. Additionally, recent disruptions such as COVID-19 pandemic have emphasized the need for resilience. As a result, firms are increasingly adopting regionalization, nearshoring, and diversification strategies. In conclusion, global value chains represent the transformation of production from localized systems to highly complex global networks. This evolution has been driven by technological progress, globalization, and cooperation strategies At the same time, it represents challenges related to dependency, inequality, and resilience. Understanding these dynamics is essential for analyzing the future of global trend and development. Thank you for watching our channel. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.